Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Expedia hotel not as described. So to fix an Expedia hotel booking that is not as described, what you can do is first take photos and videos of the room, amenities and cleanliness issue. Now you can contact hotel staff to notify the front desk immediately to allow them to fix the issue, for example, changing your rooms, and note the name of the person you spoke with. The next what you can do is talk to their virtual agent. Go to Expedia app and then go to your account at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and go to help and feedback. Now tap on chat now and then you can chat to their virtual agent and then tell them about the issue you're facing. Now the next what you can do is request escalation. If the initial agent cannot resolve the issue, ask for a supervisor or tier 2 agent. Get a case number. Always ask for a case number or ticket ID for your complaint to track the progress. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.